Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Deep Dream Image Generator. Here you can go and type Deep Dream Generator AI. This one, and you can generate images, videos, and also you can edit your images and videos. Here you can go and open this website. So before start creating, you can create a free account. Here you can go and click on sign up button. And now you can easily create your account with your Gmail account. This one, select your email and then allow access. Now account is created. On the top here you can see you can generate image, video, music, and you can upscale your images. So that means you can improve your image quality as well as you can edit any of your content. So the first option, let me click here, and here let me type a prompt: image top 10 freelancing platforms, and then here you can see these buttons. You can enhance your prompt with AI. Okay, this one is the prompt. Now you can scroll down and click here generate button. Now it is generating an image according to our prompt. Now here you can see our professional image is ready. You can again edit your prompt to generate a new image. Simply you can go and click on try again button, and you can easily save this image into your laptop. You can also upscale your existing images. Okay, this image is ready. Let me open it. Okay, that's looking professional. Now let me go here and add one of the image that I want to upscale. Upload files. I want to upscale this image. And here select this one. So now it has started working on it. And here you can check the resolution. Okay. So guys, here you can see this one is the final result. You can compare existing image and the new image that is enhanced. After that you can easily save this image into your laptop by clicking here.